Did you know that black salt or kala namak holds powerful health benefits used in Ayurveda for centuries? In this video, we'll explore its incredible healing properties, how it aids digestion, detoxifies the body, and enhances overall well-being. Black salt is more than just a seasoning, it's a treasure trove of minerals and health benefits waiting to be unlocked. From aiding digestion to detoxifying the body, this humble ingredient is a powerhouse of wellness. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of black salt, uncovering its secrets and showing you how to harness its potential in your everyday life. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your metabolism, or enhance your skin's natural glow, black salt has something for everyone. Let's get started. Black salt, also known as kala namak, is a type of volcanic rock salt known for its distinct sulfuric aroma and unique pinkish-black color. It's rich in essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium, making it a healthier alternative to regular table salt. Unlike common table salt, which undergoes extensive processing and often contains additives, black salt is natural and unrefined, preserving its mineral content. Historically, black salt has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for its therapeutic properties. The sulfur compounds in black salt are responsible for its distinctive egg-like smell, which might take some getting used to, but they also contribute to its health benefits. So not only is black salt a health booster, but it's also a versatile culinary tool. In Ayurvedic medicine, black salt is considered a healing ingredient that balances the body's doshas. It's commonly used to enhance digestion and reduce bloating. The pungent and warming qualities of black salt stimulate digestive fire, or agni, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients effectively. Moreover, black salt aids in detoxification by flushing out toxins from the body. Its natural diuretic properties help promote urine production, thereby facilitating the removal of waste products. Electrolyte balance is another significant benefit of black salt. It contains vital minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining fluid balance and preventing muscle cramps. Weight loss support is another area where black salt shines. By boosting metabolism and aiding in digestion, it helps the body process food more efficiently. Additionally, black salt's ability to reduce water retention can help you feel less bloated and more comfortable. One of the most well-known benefits of black salt is its ability to aid digestion. It stimulates digestive enzymes and helps prevent common digestive issues like bloating, acidity, and constipation. The sulfur compounds in black salt not only give it its unique flavor, but also act as a natural laxative, promoting regular bowel movements. Many people find relief from digestive discomfort by mixing a pinch of black salt in warm water or lemon juice. This simple remedy can help balance stomach acid levels and ease symptoms of indigestion. The alkaline nature of black salt can neutralize excess stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn and acid reflux. Another digestive benefit of black salt is its ability to reduce gas and bloating. The carminative properties of black salt help expel trapped gas from the intestines, providing quick relief from discomfort. Want to detox naturally? Black salt can help cleanse the body by flushing out toxins, promoting a healthy metabolism, and reducing water retention. Its natural diuretic properties enhance urine production, aiding in the elimination of waste products and toxins from the body. Incorporating black salt into your diet can also support weight loss efforts. By boosting metabolism and improving digestion, black salt helps your body process food more efficiently. This can lead to better nutrient absorption and reduced fat storage. Additionally, black salt's ability to reduce water retention can help you shed excess water weight, giving you a leaner appearance. Try adding black salt to detox drinks or herbal teas for a refreshing and cleansing effect. A popular detox drink involves mixing black salt with lemon juice and warm water. This combination not only aids digestion but also provides a gentle detoxifying effect, helping to flush out toxins and support overall health. For those looking to manage their weight, black salt can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Not just for internal health, black salt is great for your skin too. It helps reduce acne, exfoliates dead skin cells, and promotes a natural glow. The minerals in black salt, such as sulfur and magnesium, have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. You can create a DIY scrub by mixing black salt with coconut oil. This natural exfoliant helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Regular use of this scrub can promote a radiant complexion and reduce the appearance of blemishes and acne scars. Black salt can also be beneficial for your hair. Its mineral content helps strengthen hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and promote a healthy scalp. You can create a hair mask by mixing black salt with a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. This treatment can help nourish your hair and improve its overall health. Now that you know the benefits, here's how to incorporate black salt into your routine. Use it in cooking as a healthier alternative to table salt. Its unique flavor can enhance the taste of various dishes, from soups and stews to salads and smoothies. Simply replace regular salt with black salt in your recipes to enjoy its health benefits. Mix black salt in detox drinks for digestion and weight loss. A simple and effective recipe involves combining black salt with lemon juice and warm water. This drink can help stimulate digestion, flush out toxins, and support weight management. For a natural skincare boost, add black salt to your beauty routine. Mix it in face masks or scrubs to exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin. The minerals in black salt can help reduce inflammation, unclog pores, and promote a healthy complexion. Black salt is a simple yet powerful ingredient that offers numerous health benefits. Have you tried it before? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. From improving digestion and detoxifying the body to enhancing skin and hair health, its uses are vast and varied. By incorporating black salt into your daily routine, you can take a step towards better health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of black salt. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of natural health. See you in the next video.